Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to access directly all album folders when one album is already open in Samsung's gallery application. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So right now I'm using a Samsung smartphone running One UI. So firstly just open the gallery application that comes preloaded with every Samsung smartphones. So you can see different albums as you can see here. So now say let me open one album folder, right? So let me open one folder. So you can see here. So right now I'm opening one album folder, right? So in order to access the other album folders, what we most probably do will just move back and will access the other album folders, right? But you don't need to do that. Say after opening any album folder, what you need to do is just swipe from left to right. Voila, now you can see all the other album folders as you can see here. So right now I can access directly by tapping on each of the other album folders. So if you want to hide it again, just slide from right to left, and you can do the same thing again, slide from left to right if you want to access all the other album folders. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.